What's up guys? Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this action camera eyeball from geek.wish. First of all, let's see the box. Here you can see this is the action camera. Here it says full HD 1080p sport camera, waterproof, 30 meters. Here you can see what you can do with the attachment of the camera. Here are the specifications. As you can see, it says 1080p and 720p here. 2.0-inch LCD, multi-language, micro SD card, not included of course. Here you can see the attachment that supposedly are in the box. Different mounts and case. So let's open this box and see what's inside. So let's see what is right here. Okay, first the cable, the charging cable. This is a case. Let's open it. Here's a case, a simple case. Now this is I think the bicycle attachment. You put this on the bicycle and you can record everything you do. This is one of that things that you put like this in the helmets. You glue on the helmets and that things. I don't know what is this. Obviously is for the camera. This I think is another mount of the camera. And these are strips. I think in English it's called like that. And here is the user manual. You can see HD action camera is in English. This camera came from China. I wait like, I don't know, 5 days. It has a very fast shipping only in this camera. The other things I need to wait 1 month. So as you can see, let this focus. You can see it's in English. So now let's see the camera itself. Here is with the waterproof case. Let's open this. Let's open this up. Here is the camera. As you can see, it's very little, very small camera. Let's turn it on. You can see it's turned on. It's fully charged. As you can see, I don't know if you can see there. Okay. So I'm gonna put different videos I record with this. So and also I'm gonna see if this is a really waterproof case. I'm gonna put this into the water. So let's do that. So before testing this with the camera inside, I'm gonna put a piece of paper inside and see if this really is waterproof, because I don't want to damage the camera. So let's put this paper inside and close it, and let's check if it's really waterproof. So I fill this thing up with water, and here's the waterproof shell. Let's see. Here is underwater. It's not bubbling, so I think it's really waterproof. So let's see if it's dry. So let's see if it's dry. And yes, it's dry. It's still dry. It's not wet. It's not wet. Everything is dry. So I'm gonna film with this underwater and without this, so you can see the quality of the camera. So this is in 720p. I hope it sounds good and record good. So I'm gonna record also in 1080. So this is 1080p. I hope it sounds good also. So guys, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this, for more unboxing like this, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.